bust it. Is you fucking 2 shots?
Thank you guys for joining me on this video. Today I'm doing the Bust It challenge, okay? Checking your reflection. Wait, what's the words? Checking your reflection, telling your best friend like, girl, I think my butt can be, oh. Yes, we are doing the Bust It challenge today. And for my video, I want to do a glossy lid look. I have done glossy lids one time, and it's super quick, super easy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Yeah, first of all, can we talk about this Bust It challenge? Everybody who's been doing the Bust It challenge has absolutely killed it, okay? Like, I've been seeing all these beautiful people just killing it. So if you don't know what the Bust It challenge is, it's basically to Erica Banks' Bust It song, and everybody's doing a TikTok where you start off looking a little bummy, you know, like you don't have any makeup on, you're just in pajamas or some sweats or something like that. And as soon as the beat drops, you bust it down and you are looking fly, bomb. Hair done, face is beat, outfit is popping, you get a little pop, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I'm doing that. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So in preparation for that, we're going to do our glossy lids. I already have my brows done, and they're already cleaned up with some concealer. So the first thing we're going to do is prime our eyes. So I'm going to take my ColourPop Pretty Fresh, Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the color Medium Dark. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on my lids, just a little bit. This. Okay. Then to blend that out, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics in the style 130. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out all over my eye. Pause! Before we even continue, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and set your notifications on so that you know when the next video is coming. Come on now. Okay, so eyes are primed. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to go into my Morphe 350M palette. Excuse the tape. Sis has been with us for a very long time, okay? Okay, and you know, sometimes it gets a little rough. It's cool. Anyways, I'm going to go in with this brown here. The base for my glossy lids will be more of a neutral tone. You can do color. We'll do color next time. But today I want to just do neutrals. So I'm going to take that brown, and this brush that I have here, the brand is called Skinny Dip, and the brush is actually their Base It brush. I got this brush in a set from TJ Maxx. I bought it because it looks super cool. You can see the glitter flowing. I love that. That's literally why I bought this. Alright, so I'm going to take that brown, and I'm going to go all over my lid. And once you have that all over the lid, you can just go ahead and blend that out. I'm using the same brush. I'm just blending out those edges. Again, this look is going to be super natural because the gloss is the star, okay? So the nudes that we use are just to kind of give our eyes some definition under the gloss, but the gloss is the main star. The gloss is the special guest of today's look. Okay, simple enough. Now I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so here we are. Just a basic one shade, blended out. I'm going to go back into that same palette. And just to add a little bit of definition to our lids, so like I said, so that they don't disappear under the gloss, I'm going to take this dark brown color right here in the middle. Honestly, it looks way darker in person than on camera. And I'm going to use this shadow brush. I do not have a brand name for this, but it looks like this. And I'm going to take that dark brown and I'm going to go right into my crease. So just, and there you go. It's very subtle, but it does do a little bit. See? Okay, so it's just that simple. Before we put on the gloss, I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes and put on my foundation and everything as well. I do recommend that you put on your lashes, before putting on the gloss, because of course, you know, your lashes aren't going to stick as well if their gloss is already on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here we go. Here we go. These lashes are fire. They are fire. I actually got these from Amazon. Okay, so let's do what we're here for. It's time to put the gloss on the lid. Glossy lid. In order to do our glossy lid, you're going to need some lip gloss. I'm using the NK Makeup lip gel. This is from the beauty supply store. This will run you about $2-3, if that. Very great, you know. Best lip gloss out there. That's it. That's all. And I'm going to be using Morphe's M124. This is a flat brush. This is going to really help us guide that gloss on our lips. First of all, let me say, do not put too much gloss on your eyelids, because 1, you don't need that much. 2, well, at least I noticed last time, obviously because your body is warm, sometimes the gloss will get to moving, and if you have too much, it'll start to run down. You don't want it to get in your eye. Like, who wants that? So be careful. So I'm just going to get a little bit. And always, you can always build, but you can't always take away. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush here. And I'm going to apply it on my lid first. And then I'll slowly, like, gradually build it upwards. And towards the top, to blend that out, I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of tap it. And there you go. Glossy lid. And that's all that's to it. Okay, so now let's just finish this up real quick. I'm going to put some black eyeliner on my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take, this is a Real Techniques brush, and this is their Precision Smudge Brush. And I'm going to take this brush and literally just blend out this eyeliner. And then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lash. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And to finish off this look, I'm going to do a glossy lip as well. Why not? First, I'm going to line my lips with the LA Girl liner in medium brown. Okay, this look is a vibe. It really is. Like, next I'm going to use my Morphe gloss in Flower Crown. It's like a nude, real pink kind of nude. Okay, and now I'm going to top it with some of that gloss. Okay, this is giving some real hot girl vibes. Okay, I'm gonna go and put on my outfit for this busted challenge, and then I'm gonna come back. Boom! This is it. This is it. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to set our face. Okay, first I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Madison Beer Luminous Setting Spray. And then I'm going to set my face with Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. I mean, even the gloss lip is just doing it for me. But here you guys have it. This is the final look. I love, love, love this look, guys. Like, I'm definitely going to be incorporating more glossy lids into my go-to looks because this is a new fave. This is a new fave. Bussy, bussy, ay, bussy, ay, bussy, ay. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications. If you haven't already watched other videos, go hit up my channel. And since you made it to the end, you might as well go ahead and share this video with your friends and family so we can all get cute with the glossy lid. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, wishing you love, health, wealth, and happiness. Peace.